how to add wishlist in Shopify Dawn theme. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you will be able to add a wishlist on your Shopify. Now, in Shopify itself, that feature does not exist, and so we will be utilizing apps. Basically, what apps does is it adds additional feature and interaction with your Shopify store, and adding a wishlist is part of those apps. And so simply open your Shopify App Store over here by simply clicking on the Shopify App Store. Once you select Add Apps over here, and in this section, simply search for Wishlist. Now, there are multiple apps that will allow you to add a wishlist on your Shopify store. And so it's completely up to you on which one you want to use. There's a lot of great ones over here. For example, Wishlist Plus. Over or at least almost 2,000 people have been using it. The Wishlist King, there's like over 300. The Loyalty and Wishlist Grow Wave over here has more than 2,000. And it has really good ratings over here. This one has an even higher rating, a 5-star for 7,464 reviews. So simply choose the one that you like. For example, this one, and simply click on install, and you will be able to easily install and add that feature to your Shopify store. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.